Hey, hi, how are you? Hey, it's been too long, right?
Yeah, you become too busy.
Actually, it's our owner's who are busy. Yeah, what about your owner? He was so excited when he first bought you, right? My owner?
He's on the way to do something. Gabbar Singh. It's a brand new song to sing. Gabbar Singh. He's on the way to do something. Gabbar Singh.
Hello,
Hi, sweetheart. What are you doing?
selecting the dresses, honey,
For what, darling?
for friend's birthday.
Okay.
Will you help me out?
Yeah, sure. Why not? What do you want me to do?
You know all my new dresses, right?
Yeah.
Suggest me one.
Hmm. What would be the green dress that you wore for last week?
But I wore that last week only, no.
Okay. That one with white flash?
No, I don't wear that.
Then try the blue and white silver.
Harsha,
Yeah.
I'm going for party, not for a temple.
That yellow dress you wore for Diwali?
You know what? This girl Deepti, she said she will be wearing something in yellow, so I don't want to wear that.
Wear that pink dress I gifted for you.
Sweetheart, then people will think it's my birthday, not hers.
Then try the black dress, yeah.
I will not look good in black dress, honey.
Then why did you buy it, sweetheart?
Honey,
Yeah. Wear that peach color.
that will not go with my hair.
Then go for that favorite white color.
Yeah, but I gave it for laundry.
Try that blue outfit, yeah.
Hmm, not interested. I will do one thing.
What?
I will go for green dress you suggested first.
Oh, yeah.
Hello?
Okay, you will start get ready now.
Yeah, okay, bye, honey. Call you later.
Hey Arsha, I have a doubt here.
Which doubt, man?
That is, what is cryptography here?
Oh, cryptography. Cryptography is nothing but network security, ra. Network security means if think that two persons, if are Bob and Elish, are communicating with each other, and if any some external X person is want to see the information of what they are talking, writing the coding about that which he can't see is known as
Gabbar Singh. He's on the way to do.
Hello, honey?
what happened?
No, I'm stuck at these earrings.
Okay,
Right? Okay, I'm not able to choose. Suggest me one.
wear something that matches your dress, yeah.
Don't I know that? What shall I wear? The pointed ones or round ones?
Go for that pointed ones.
Well, I think the round ones is better for
Oh,
me.
yeah.
Thank you, bye.
Okay.
Yeah, Arsha.
Yeah, cryptography. Think that if two persons, Bob and Alice, are communicating with each other and they don't
Gabbar Singh. He's on the way to
Oh, sorry, yaar. Sorry.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay. Suppose think that if two persons, Bob and Alice, are
Gabbar Singh, Gabbar Singh, he's on the way to do something. Gabbar Singh, Gabbar Singh, Gabbar Singh, he's Gabbar Singh, Gabbar Singh.
That's the case with my owner, struggling with his girlfriend. It's the same case with all the lovers. Yeah, true, but why does he want to use me in the middle even when they are face to face?
Hello, sweetheart.
Hi. What happened?
When I said hello, you should say hello, right? Why are you saying hi?
What? What?
What, huh? So nowadays what I'm speaking to doesn't make any sense to you?
No, whatever you speak, it does not make any sense neither to me nor to you.
So you're blaming me?
No, I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming myself
For what?
for getting into relationship with you.
Oh, I am sorry.
For what?
I'm sorry that I got into relationship with you.
Oh, you are feeling sad.
No, I'm not feeling sad. I'm angry that I got stuck with you.
Oh, you are stuck with me. Who asked you to love me? Who asked you to roam day and night around me? Who the hell asked you to propose me at the first place?
Yeah, that's the biggest mistake of my life and I'm facing its consequences right now.
Look, I did not trigger your feelings at the first place. I did not ask you to love me.
So you're finally admitting that I forced you to love me?
Otherwise, what kind of a girl would love a jerk like you?
You did right, that makes the two of us.
Look, I'm already pissed. Don't make me angry even more.
Even I want to be angry, but you're not worth it.
This conversation ends right now. This conversation ends right now.
You will never change.
He's a tough guy. What's your condition, dude? My condition? My owner took the term use very seriously. Like everybody, his daily routine starts when he wakes up. And why the hell he wakes me up when I am still snoring? I mean, charging. He makes me nervous, but I am not able to move far from his cheek in the fear of getting drenched in the toothpaste. He wants me to accompany him even to the world's most solitary place and doesn't even let me rest there. He turns on the shower, but he did not turn me on. When he comes out, there will be change in his attire, but not in my position. I doubt whether he differentiates between salt and sugar during his cooking sessions, where I'll be in turn, though I don't know cooking. I wonder how food finds its way into his stomach while words continuously pop out from his mouth. Going to, coming back, sitting, standing. This amazes me the most. He'll be losing war with the sleep god and I'll be there beside him dying. But still, I'll be not turned off. I bet no one knows the definition of maximum usage better than him.